In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your invoice template in Zoho. If you've ever felt the need to personalize your invoices to better reflect your brand, or if you're simply ready for a change, you're in the right place. We'll walk through each step to ensure your Zoho invoices look exactly how you want them to. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to your Zoho account. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Zoho accounts page. Once there, take a moment to log in by entering your credentials if you're not already signed in. This will bring you to the main dashboard where all your Zoho apps are accessible. Next, glance over to find the Invoice button and give that a click. This is your doorway to all things invoicing within Zoho. It's designed to give you control over how your invoices look and feel, helping you keep your business communications consistent and professional. Now you'll be presented with the options for your invoice templates. Zoho provides you with 4 unique template styles to choose from, each offering a different look and layout. You'll see options like Standard, which is great for a minimalist, clean appearance, or perhaps Spreadsheet, which organizes information neatly in a tabular format. There's also the Continental style that can give your invoices a polished international vibe, and Compact, for when you want to convey essential information concisely. If you're not satisfied with the given templates, you can always go for a more customized approach by clicking on the Upload option. This allows you to bring in an external template that you might have designed or found elsewhere, perfect for maintaining a specific corporate identity. Once you've settled on a template, you might want to tweak the visual aspects to better suit your brand's aesthetic. This is where customization steps in. You can start with the background color by clicking on Background. Choose a color that aligns with your branding, ensuring it's not too overwhelming but still distinct. Following that, you can modify the labels by clicking on Label. Choose the wording and style that best communicates the sections of your invoice to your clients. Adjust the font settings next to ensure readability and consistency across all your business documents. Select a font style and size that reflects professionalism and makes your invoices easy to understand at a glance. With everything looking just right, don't forget the critical step of saving your hard work. Click on Save and Proceed to confirm your changes. It's always a relief to know that your customizations are securely stored and ready for the next time you need to issue an invoice. Finally, with these modifications in place, your invoice template is all set. Feel free to revisit and revise any of these elements whenever inspiration strikes or your branding needs evolve. Thanks for tuning in. And here's to making invoices as unique as your business.